Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute since we've had a full-length video, but we just got a delivery here at the shop. We're going to do a bit of an unboxing here and check this thing out. And here we are guys, our latest addition to the shop, the xTool D1 Pro Laser Engraver. I'm super excited about this. We've been planning to get it for a very long time now. Well, a couple months, but it feels like a long time, but we're finally here and we're gonna unbox it and get it assembled and try and figure it out. It's not all gonna be in one video. This video is just gonna be the unboxing and assembly, but yeah, super excited. We're gonna dig right into it, guys. If you're at all interested in this after seeing these videos of me unboxing, assembling, using it and reviewing it, there will be a link down in the description and probably also in the pinned comment where you can pick one up for yourself. But yeah, with that, let's dig into it, guys. Alright, everything is unboxed now. Got all my parts here and over here. Got my instruction manual right here. We're gonna try and get this thing figured out, put together. Let's do it. Alright, so we got our 4 sides in place, as the instructions show there. It comes with this little toolkit that has a screwdriver right here, and these screws. These are what we're going to use for assembly. Alright, so all the screws holding together this main body are now in. I haven't tightened them down all the way yet, just in case I need any wiggle room for assembling anything else. But we'll move on to the next step now. Now we'll be taking these 2 bigger screws, as you can see, and putting them right there and right there, tightening up that belt. Now we're gonna place this onto this rod here. There's only one of each, so won't get it confused. All right, the next step is to get the belt over that gear there, and this rod goes right into a hole. If you're having trouble getting the belt on, you can always adjust that screw. All right, the next step is to move that fitting right there that we put on previously up to here. It's going to attach that rod to the motor, just like so. Once you have it on there, don't tighten those screws down until you've moved these all the way to the back on both ends. Just like that. When you're done, these both ought to move together when you slide them. Just like that. Next, we attach this long cord here to both of those spots there. The wider one goes here. Skinnier one goes there. Next, you're gonna zip tie that slack up under the frame there, and you're also gonna cut off any extra of the zip tie that's hanging out there. All right, now we take this piece and we're gonna cut these zip ties off of it. Now you're gonna plug this into right there. Now you're gonna attach this piece with all the wires that you cut the white zip ties off of to these. Then you're gonna put one of these blue screws in there to hold the tension on the belt underneath here. All right, next you're gonna plug all three of those in. Not gonna lie, it's pretty tricky to do because, as you can see, not a lot of space in there. It's definitely easiest to flip it on its side though, like that. Next, you're gonna zip tie that up, just like you did with the other cord. You do want to make sure that it's on the inside edge here though, because this wheel rolls inside of there. Also, it only gets zip tied about halfway up. That way, as this moves, as you can see, lets it go all the way down and back up to the other side. You also need to take that and plug it in right there. Now you need to screw this piece into that hole down there on the actual laser. All right, once you've got that piece screwed in and that rubber cap put on top, you're gonna plug it in to that cord. All right, finally you'll insert the laser into there, and it tightens down with this screw thing here. All right, the very final step, it comes with this TF card is what they call it. You'll find it in your little toolkit, but it's gonna go right in here. Until you hear that little click. Alright guys, and that concludes the assembly of the xTool D1 Pro laser engraver. I found it to be relatively simple. Hopefully I was able to help you guys if you're trying to assemble one of these, if you just bought one. I don't know, maybe you're thinking about buying one and you're going to refer back to this video. Either way, if you found this helpful, entertaining, whatever, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this, always getting new tools and trying new things, so you definitely want to stick around for that. And as I said in the beginning, if you're interested in one of these and haven't bought it yet, definitely check out my link to it on Amazon down in the description below and also in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching, guys.